It's a lot going on. Good afternoon. Thank you for having me here. So NASA's been doing AI for decades. Only recently has that, as you mentioned, the computational power, the storage cost being lower, data analytics and algorithms progress to the point where the return on investment is much better now. You don't have to be a data scientist to be able to use the new tools that are out there. So that's really making it a lot better for everybody. Don't get me wrong, I have a couple of data scientists that work for me, and we're getting ready to hire another one right now, matter of fact, next week. So last year, we also set up an AI community, artificial intelligence community of interest at NASA, run by one of my guys, sits down at Johnson Space Center. And I'll tell you, they get together monthly, and they help each other out and give a lot of, what works out there, who needs some software, who has extra licenses and things like that, sharing best practices. And I have a lot of specific examples, but I did want to mention just one, the Mars 2020 rover, that you had alluded to a second ago. It's launching in July next summer, and it'll have significant discretion in what it is able to do. It has AI in 3 areas, autonomous driving. And if you remember the rover that got stuck in the sand, well, it's a long time ago. It's spinning its wheels, and we don't hear about it for a little while, 7 or 8 minutes. And so this one will have autonomous. If it figures something's going wrong, it can back itself out. Number 2, exploration for gathering increased science. It can maneuver around depending on what it sees, and it has its own scheduling system. So it doesn't need to be told, hey, you diverted here, but now we're going to have to cut the other one short. It can figure all that out on its own. So it's amazing what it can do.